Today I'm doing something really different. This is a project that I'm helping someone else figure out a problem that they're having, and I'm literally doing the video to work through the problem. So it's going to be rough. It's not going to be pretty, kind of uncut, unedited, so you can see my thinking process. Okay, so to start off with, this person wants to make some stickers. And I've done a sticker video before and tutorial. I'll link that in the description on this. But those were stickers that had just an image and that was cutting a circle or a square shape around the image. Now what we're trying to do is cut an oddball shape. But also, besides that, she wants additional stuff down here, like each child's name. Like this is for a senior night, I'm guessing. So we would need to have each person's name. So I'm just using some random names. And let's say that Jeff is number 10. Okay, so you can see that I hit the return so I could get two separate lines, but I don't like the big space in there. So I'm just gonna do this and duplicate the text and make it two lines so I can move them around. And this is what I mean by this is going to be kind of a real video versus, the pretty edited stuff. Okay, so this is what we want it to look, but we don't want to cut each of these separate. We want like one shape that goes around all of this. So to do that, I'm going to first find the largest surface area shape, which is this C on this layer. I'm going to just duplicate that. Okay, so I want this to be, let's just make it gray so I can tell it's different. Okay, so now if I take those two and align them on top of each other just so I have my placement right. Okay, so now I'm going to click on, well, first let's turn this one off, and now I'm going to move this one over here because I just want to work with this one right now. So right now this would cut just this outline of this shape, but I want it to kind of come down here and connect this C, so this will be white here. So then I'm going to put a shape in here. Let's just insert a square. And I'm going to just rotate that so it kind of lines up with this angle. And you know what? The person who's doing this for real will probably take more time and be more accurate, but I'm just doing this for kind of a demo. You can still being putsy. Okay, so now I'm going to take both of those pieces and weld them together. So now I've got a more filled in shape. Now I have to do something similar for down here. So what I could do is go shapes and go rectangle, or square, sorry, unlock it, make it a rectangle. And now put it over the words Jeff, like that. And maybe I'll bump it up just a little bit higher. Okay, here's the bad part. If I hit weld right now, Jeff is going to be included in that weld. So I'm going to hide by turning off the square. Grab Jeff and the number. Oops. And slide them over here. Now let's turn the square back on. And now if I select all of this and go weld, it's all one shape. Okay, so this is the shape that is going to cut out for this sticker. So now I want this to be printed on top and this to be printed on top. So I'm going to go arrange, send this to the front, and I could actually go like this and align that centered. Nope. Align that to the top. There we go. And then I can take Jeff. Oops. See, this is what I mean. I would have, for a good video, edited edited that all out, it would have been perfect, but I'm being real for once. Okay, so now, oh, I want to change this gray shape to white now that I have it all set up because we're going to print this on white paper or white sticker paper, and then it's just going to cut that white shape. But if we do select all of this and then go flatten, we can see when we click make it, it's going to print like this, but then it's going to cut that outer shape that we assigned to the cutting shape. So I hope that this gives you kind of an introduction of how to cut odd sticker shapes and things that aren't just on a round circle. You kind of have to play with it, but it's kind of fun to see what you can do. Hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on social media. Let me know how you can use this, and also let me know your questions about Cricut Design Space. Then maybe I'll make a video especially for you. Thanks.